We all know the typical advice. Drink more water, get your beauty sleep, or sunscreen. And when wrinkles start showing up, most people reach for collagen powders, creams, or even injectables. But here's the problem. If your body isn't producing collagen properly, no amount of expensive serum will stop your skin from sagging. What if I told you that certain herbs, some ancient, some barely known in the West, could trigger your body to rebuild its own collagen from the inside out? These aren't gimmicks or trends. They've been quietly used in traditional medicine systems for centuries to heal, to restore, and yes, to make skin glow. And now, science is finally catching up. In this video, we'll walk through 6 powerful herbs that help restore collagen and improve skin elasticity naturally. These aren't your typical health food store supplements. In fact, most people have never even heard of herb number 4, but it might just be the most effective one for smoothing out fine lines and lifting sagging skin. Here's what we'll cover. Which herbs trigger your own body to produce more collagen? How they help your skin, hair, joints, and even gut health. What the science says about their anti-aging power. And exactly how to use them safely and easily at home. You don't need a $300 skin cream. You don't need to inject anything. What you need is to support your body with what it already knows how to do. Rebuild, regenerate, and renew. If you're over 40 and you've noticed that your skin just doesn't bounce back the way it used to, this is for you. Let's dive into 6 little-known herbs that just might be your new secret weapon against aging, especially number 4. Herb 1, Gotu kola. Gotu kola has been revered for centuries in Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine as a longevity tonic. In regions like Sri Lanka, it's said that elephants who eat Gotu kola daily live longer and have excellent memory. While the folklore is charming, science is now confirming what ancient healers already knew. This humble herb holds powerful skin-rejuvenating secrets. Gotu kola, also known as Centella asiatica, is rich in compounds called triterpenoids, including asiaticoside, madecassoside, and asiatic acid. These are not just fancy plant chemicals. They are biologically active molecules that stimulate the fibroblasts in your skin, the exact cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. Think of fibroblasts as the architects of firm, youthful skin. When they're active, skin stays tight. When they slow down, sagging begins. In one study published in Clinical, Cosmetic, and Investigational Dermatology, women who applied a Gotu kola-based cream saw significant improvement in skin firmness and elasticity after just 8 weeks. Another study found that oral supplements of Gotu kola improved skin hydration and reduced fine lines by increasing collagen synthesis deep within the dermis. But the benefits go far beyond your face. Gotu kola enhances microcirculation, meaning it helps your body deliver oxygen and nutrients to skin tissue more effectively. Better circulation equals better healing, faster skin turnover, and stronger, more elastic skin. It also acts as a mild adaptogen, helping reduce stress hormones that break down collagen over time. Gotu kola is easy to incorporate into your daily routine. You can drink 1 cup of Gotu kola tea each morning to start your day with a collagen boost. Take a daily supplement, 250 to 500 milligrams of standardized extract, to support long-term elasticity. Mix Gotu kola powder with honey or aloe vera to make a soothing topical mask once a week. It's gentle, effective, and deeply nourishing. Women over 40 often report that within a month of use, their skin feels firmer, fine lines are softer, and their overall complexion looks more vibrant. If you've been searching for a natural way to restore your skin's bounce and tightness, Gotu kola may be the best-kept secret hidden in plain sight. Herb 2, horsetail. At first glance, horsetail may seem like an unassuming weed growing alongside rivers and forests, but this ancient plant is a powerhouse when it comes to restoring collagen and promoting skin elasticity. In fact, it's one of the richest natural sources of silica, a trace mineral that's absolutely essential for collagen synthesis and structural skin integrity. Why is silica such a big deal? Collagen fibers are like the scaffolding of your skin. They give it structure and firmness. But without silica, your body struggles to maintain the strength and stability of those collagen fibers. It's the glue that helps bind collagen together, making it more resilient against the daily wear and tear of aging, environmental stress, and hormonal changes. A lack of silica has been directly linked to sagging skin, thinning hair, and brittle nails. A 2016 study in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that women who took a silica supplement for 20 weeks showed significant improvements in skin roughness, hydration, and elasticity. Researchers concluded that dietary silica helps rebuild the skin's extracellular matrix, an essential framework of collagen, elastin, and glycoproteins responsible for youthful, springy skin. Horsetail doesn't stop there. It also contains antioxidants such as quercetin and camphorol, which help protect your skin from free radicals that accelerate aging. Plus, its mild diuretic effect helps flush out toxins and reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes and cheeks. There are several simple ways to harness the benefits of horsetail in your routine. Drink horsetail tea in the morning or early afternoon. Its earthy taste blends well with mint or lemon balm. Take it in capsule form, 300 to 500 milligrams daily, especially if you're targeting deeper connective tissue repair. Apply it topically via natural skin serums or herbal infusions that include horsetail extract, helping tighten skin directly on the face, neck, or hands. One important note, because of its diuretic properties, horsetail should be used in moderation and avoided by people with kidney disorders unless approved by a healthcare provider. If you've been focusing only on collagen supplements, but not supporting your skin's internal scaffolding system, you may be missing the full picture. Think of horsetail as the silent engineer working behind the scenes to reinforce and tighten your skin structure. For women over 40 experiencing increased sagging or dullness, this herb can be a gentle but powerful ally. Herb 3. Amla. When it comes to collagen production, one nutrient towers above the rest, vitamin C. Without it, your body simply cannot produce or stabilize collagen effectively. That's where amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, enters the scene. This small green fruit has been a staple in Ayurvedic medicine for thousands of years, and modern science is now catching up to explain why. Amla is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, packing 20 times more than an orange in a single berry. And why does that matter for aging skin? Because vitamin C isn't just a cofactor in collagen synthesis, it's the spark plug. It activates the enzymes that help convert the amino acids proline and lysine into stable collagen fibers, which then get deposited into your skin, bones, joints, and connective tissues. But the benefits don't stop there. Amla also acts as a powerful antioxidant, scavenging free radicals that break down collagen and elastin. In a 2013 study published in International Journal of Pharmaceutics, amla extract was shown to significantly increase fibroblast activity, the very cells in your skin responsible for producing collagen and elastin. What sets amla apart from synthetic vitamin C supplements is its bioavailability. Thanks to a natural blend of polyphenol and tannins, the vitamin C in amla is more stable and easier for your body to absorb and utilize. Here are easy ways to incorporate amla into your daily life. Drink amla juice in the morning on an empty stomach. Just a small shot, 1 to 2 ounces, is enough to give your skin a glow from the inside out. Add amla powder to smoothies, oatmeal, or herbal teas. It has a tart, slightly bitter taste that pairs well with honey or ginger. Take it in capsule form, especially if you're looking for a standardized dose for consistent skin support. And here's a bonus. Amla also supports hair growth and pigmentation, thanks to its ability to boost melanin production and fight oxidative stress in hair follicles. That's why many traditional Indian hair oils are amla-based. They don't just nourish the scalp, they help keep your hair thick, shiny, and strong. If you're looking for a holistic herb that helps you rebuild collagen while also brightening your complexion and revitalizing your hair, amla is an unsung hero that belongs in your anti-aging toolkit. Herb 4. Jiagulan. If you've never heard of jiagulan, you're not alone. Often called the herb of immortality or southern ginseng, This climbing vine native to the mountains of southern China and northern Thailand has flown under the radar. Yet it holds profound anti-aging potential, especially for collagen regeneration and skin resilience. So what makes Jiagulin so special? First, Jiagulin is adaptogenic, meaning it helps the body balance stress hormones, especially cortisol. And that matters a lot. Elevated cortisol levels are one of the main culprits in collagen breakdown, particularly around the eyes, jawline, and neck. Chronic stress doesn't just age your mind, it visibly ages your skin. Jiagulin's balancing effect gives your skin the internal peace it needs to repair. Second, Jiagulin is packed with gypenicides, compounds structurally similar to the ginsenosides found in ginseng. These phytochemicals are known to enhance microcirculation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. Better blood flow equals faster regeneration and more collagen synthesis. But here's where Jiagulin becomes truly unique. It supports the body's own antioxidant enzyme production, including superoxide dismutase, SOD, glutathione, and catalase. Instead of just supplying antioxidants, it helps your body make more of its own, like turning on the fountain of youth from within. And these internal antioxidants help protect your existing collagen from free radical damage, keeping your skin elastic and firm. In a 2008 study published in Phytomedicine, researchers found that Jiagulin extract significantly improved the lifespan and skin condition of mice under oxidative stress, likely through its adaptogenic and antioxidant effects. How to use Jiagulin? Brew it as a tea. Jiagulin tea is slightly sweet and earthy, perfect for morning or evening. Take capsules. Standardized extracts offer consistent dosing if you want to target stress and collagen over time. Blend it into smoothies. A pinch of Jiagulin powder mixes well with citrus or berry-based smoothies. Unlike trendy collagen powders, Jiagulin works at the root level, managing stress, boosting circulation, and enhancing your body's own antioxidant defenses. And that's why it deserves a top spot in your collagen rebuilding, age-defying herb arsenal. Ready to discover the next powerful herb? Let's move to herb number 5. Herb 5, Schisandra berry. Schisandra chinensis, often known as the five-flavor fruit, has long been revered in traditional Chinese medicine as a tonic for longevity, resilience, and beauty. But in recent years, modern science has caught up, and what it's revealing is astonishing for anyone looking to preserve skin elasticity and restore collagen from the inside out. What makes Schisandra so powerful? To start, this berry is an adaptogen, like Jiagulin, helping regulate stress hormones that accelerate skin aging. But Schisandra goes even deeper. It contains a unique class of compounds called schizandrins, which have been shown to protect mitochondria, the energy-producing engines in every cell, including skin fibroblasts, the very cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. In other words, Schisandra protects the power source of your skin cells, keeping them young, energized, and productive. In a 2015 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology, Schisandra extract was shown to significantly improve skin hydration and elasticity, while reducing UV-induced collagen breakdown. That's not just anti-aging, that's reverse aging level support. Schisandra is also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, helping to neutralize free radicals and calm chronic low-grade inflammation, which is one of the root causes of collagen loss over time. And unlike some herbs that can be difficult to incorporate into daily life, Schisandra is surprisingly versatile. Brew it as a tart herbal tea with a hint of licorice and citrus. Add dried berries to bone broth for a nourishing, youth-enhancing twist. Use a standardized tincture or capsule for targeted skin and liver support. Speaking of the liver, Schisandra is one of the best liver tonics on earth. And because your liver processes hormones and toxins that affect your skin, a healthy liver means healthier collagen and a more even, radiant complexion. For women over 40, Schisandra offers a dual advantage. It helps modulate estrogen balance, which is critical for collagen maintenance, and it helps the body detoxify more efficiently, reducing skin dullness and sagging from within. This ancient berry may be small, but its impact on youthful skin is profound. Let's turn to herb number 6, and this final one might just surprise you. Herb 6, nettle leaf, Urtica dioica. At first glance, stinging nettle might not strike you as a beauty herb. It's wild, prickly, and often considered a weed. But beneath its sting lies one of the most nutrient-dense plants in the world, and a powerhouse ally in the battle to restore collagen and skin elasticity, especially for women over 40. Nettle leaf is rich in silica, a mineral absolutely essential for collagen formation. Silica is a structural component of connective tissue. It helps form the molecular lattice that gives skin its firmness and bounce. In fact, studies have shown that silica deficiency directly contributes to collagen breakdown, leading to sagging, wrinkles, and thinning skin. But that's not all. Nettle also delivers a high dose of vitamin C, which acts as a cofactor for collagen synthesis. Without enough vitamin C, your body literally can't manufacture new collagen, no matter how much protein you consume. And unlike synthetic supplements, the vitamin C in nettle comes with a full spectrum of bioflavonoids, enhancing its absorption and effectiveness. Additionally, nettle is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, such as quercetin and chlorophyll. These support the reduction of chronic skin inflammation, a hidden enemy of skin firmness, and help protect existing collagen from oxidative damage caused by UV exposure, pollution, and stress. Nettle also stands out for its iron content, supporting healthy circulation. Better blood flow equals more oxygen and nutrients delivered to skin cells, which translates to a brighter, more even complexion. And here's what makes nettle unique among herbs. It's a gentle but effective detoxifier. Nettle supports liver and kidney function, helping your body eliminate waste products that dull the skin and accelerate aging. A clean system inside reflects as clearer, tighter, and more radiant skin on the outside. How to use it? Brew nettle leaf tea daily, 2 teaspoons dried nettle per cup. Add to smoothies as a powdered green. Cook it like spinach in soups or egg dishes. Though often overlooked, nettle is a humble botanical treasure. It works subtly but powerfully, laying the foundation for long-term skin regeneration and elasticity, from the deepest tissue layers outward. And now that you've met all 6 powerful herbs, let's wrap up everything we've learned and talk about how to turn these insights into a real transformation for your skin. You don't need needles or pricey fillers to restore youth to your skin. What you need is an understanding of how your body naturally rebuilds collagen and the right herbs to support that process from the inside out. As you've seen, these 6 powerful botanicals aren't just old folk remedies. They're backed by modern nutritional science and time-tested wisdom across cultures, with one common goal: to rebuild and protect the collagen matrix that keeps your skin lifted, your joints flexible, and your energy steady. The secret isn't in a single miracle herb. It's in the rhythm of consistency. Just like you nourish your body with meals throughout the day, you can feed your skin by weaving these herbs into your morning, afternoon, and evening routines. Here's how you can start today. Morning. Add amla or horsetail extract to your smoothie or juice for a burst of vitamin C and silica to jumpstart collagen synthesis. Midday. Enjoy a warm cup of nettle or gotu kola tea to keep inflammation down and hydration up. Evening. Sip on tulsi or morina tea to relax your nervous system while giving your body powerful antioxidants to repair skin overnight. These herbs won't transform your skin overnight, but 30 to 60 days of daily use can make a visible difference. Expect to see skin that's smoother, firmer, and more elastic. Joints feel less stiff. Energy lasts longer into the day. The glow returns, not just to your face, but to your entire being. So which herb will you try first? If you want a simple morning-to-night routine that includes these herbs in easy, delicious ways, check out our free, downloadable guide, linked below. It includes recipes, daily planner pages, and bonus tips on stacking collagen-boosting habits for maximum results. You're not aging, you're evolving. And these 6 herbs are your allies in aging beautifully, naturally, and with power. Let the glow-up begin.